So welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about my quick hitch and grader blade, and I'll show you a video of me testing out for the first time ever a grader blade in the back of the tractor. So that's really interesting, worth watching. Please, before I go any further, please make sure you like and subscribe the channel. A lot of you are tuning in and watching, which is fantastic. I really do like it. We need to get our view count up, and it'd be really nice if we could have some more subscribers. So that's my little sales pitch. We'll move on to the tractor now. Oh, and there's also a giveaway at the end of this, so just keep watching for that. But yeah, so we purchased this quick hitch to go on the back of the tractor, and I thought all the category 1 quick hitches, like I thought it'd be at a standard of some kind that all fit. They don't. When I bought it, it fit the cement mixer, which is great, but it doesn't fit the grader blade, and it doesn't fit the mulcher. So I did some measurements, and yeah, it's a bit too short. I've found a solution for it, so I'm going to order those, and then I'll put that in the next video, which is great. So I've taken the quick hitch off, and I've put the grader blade on, and we'll go and watch the unusual, weird footage of me trying to learn how to use one, and the faults that I'm going to find with it too.
Stop! Alan! Oh my God, God.
So if you watched the video this far, thank you. We are giving away a quick hitch. It doesn't suit all of our different implements, but if you've got one implement, it might suit you. I'll show you some measurements shortly. Actually, no, I'll show you some measurements now. It is perfect if you've just got an implement that it fits. It is so much easier to use than it is if you have to keep wrestling to put one on. So if you're interested, keep liking and subscribing, and I'll show you that giveaway in the coming videos. Thanks very much. Bye. That's my first attempt at grading. And to be honest, it's actually done a little bit better than I thought, but for some reason, the tractor's meant to have I believe they're meant to have a float function. You lower the blade and it'll sit on the ground, and when you go up and down, the blade itself will sort of just float across the ground and not put too much pressure or more pressure on it. It does say it on there on the instructions, you can float. Every time I put it into float, I think I'm putting it in the right float function. It's just lifting the back of the tractor up, and I don't want that. So it's really not gliding across the top like I hoped it would. And I'll show you that now. So this is our driveway. Isn't it exciting? So it's taken out the bumps that were pretty bad here, but because there were bumps like this, the blade's not floating across and taking off the tops. What it's doing is every time the tractor back wheels go over like this, the blade's lifting up. So it is better. And when I put some soil on this and float it out and learn how to use that float function, I think it'll be great. But that was a bad bit. That really did well there. Very happy with that. So the van can come up here when it's dirt, and I can get some speed up, just not when it's bumpy, because then it rocks and it creates the dips. And as you can see here, I'll just turn this around. Oh, Odin, hello. So, see these cracks? We had a drought 3.5 years ago, and I didn't realise the ground had dried out so much it cracked all of the bitumen just enough that the following year, when we had a flash flooding, it got into the cracks and just made them bigger and bigger, and it hasn't stopped since. All right, so I'll leave that video here. If you've watched it all the way through, thank you. As I said, I am thinking I've got to order some parts, and if they are the right parts, then I'll be doing a giveaway of that quick hitch. It may not suit, it doesn't suit me for the different implements I have, but I tell you what, as you saw, it's so much easier. So if you've got one implement, you just want to have something you can hitch on and off and you want it for free, I'll post it to you if you're in Australia. So yeah, like and subscribe, and you'll get to keep an eye out for that. All right, thanks for watching.